Finally, the season of strawberries is here. Who does not like the flavor of these beautiful berries? Ravneet Bhalla too is fond of these delicious tangy berries. The making of homemade strawberry jam without jaggery is easy and gives a beautiful color that kids will fall for. The flavor of strawberry compote with jaggery is oh so yum. To begin with, rinse and pat dry 350 grams of berries, then chop into small bits and mix with 100 grams of jaggery powder, which is 1 cup. Leave it overnight at room temperature. By next morning, the strawberries should have released water and there will not be any trace of jaggery because it should have dissolved. The jaggery should have turned into a syrup, and this syrup smells of strawberries. Let's cook this mix to make strawberry jelly or compote. If you don't want the berry bits in the jam, you may crush them at this stage. Cook on medium flame and keep stirring until the syrup thickens. Add 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Stir and pour homemade strawberry jaggery into a sterilized glass. Refrigerate the jam upon cooling. Enjoy a burst of flavor every time you indulge in this delicious jelly jam. The homemade strawberry jam without sugar should stay good in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 months, if not more. And this is the test to check the right consistency. When you draw a straight line on the spoon, it stays intact and does not move. That means your strawberry jam is ready. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon with yet another healthy recipe.